everybody, it's iPad Expert Dave, and I'm here with another iPad tip for agents. As a real estate agent, you take a lot of photos and videos from your iPhone or even your iPad, and sometimes it's difficult to remember at what location you took them. The Photos app on the iPad and iPhone is clever enough to detect the location of your photos and videos to help you remember where you took them. So in this iPad tip, you'll learn how to quickly reveal where you took your photos and videos, display them on a map, and quickly see photos you took nearby. That being said, let's go learn how to do that. So you ready to get to work? All right, let's go. If on your iPhone or iPad, in the Settings app, Privacy Setting, Location Services is turned on, and the Camera app is allowing location access while using the app, the photos and videos you take on your iPhone and iPad will be tagged with the location where you captured them. This helps you later find your photos based on location. Now, I'm in the Photos app and I'm viewing photos of homes in my Custom Home Walkthroughs album. I'm going to select this photo and then swipe up in the middle of the photo. Doing so reveals options for that photo. Notice the options that says Places. Places displays the address and a thumbnail of the photo with map location. If you tap on the map, you are brought to the map mode where you can pinch out to zoom in and pinch in to zoom out on the map. By tapping the circle I button in the bottom right corner, you are given options of how you want to display the map. You can display it by standard map, satellite, hybrid, and you can view the map in 3D mode. Plus, you can tap on the Show Nearby Photos option at the bottom of the map to quickly view photos and videos you took nearby. To go back to Photo View, tap the back button in the upper left-hand corner or just tap on the photo thumbnail. Tapping the photo address here will bring you to the Maps app where you can get directions to the location of the photo or video you just took. Well, hopefully you learned something from that tip, and if you did, that's just a taste of what I'm going to be sharing in the upcoming hands-on workshop, Managing Your Photos Like a Pro on your iPad and iPhone, taking place February 27th from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Now that's a half-day class, and it's taking place right at Shore West Corporate. The regular price for this workshop is $79, but your special price is $65. You can learn more about this workshop and sign up for it by visiting managing-photos-videos.eventbrite.com or look for the registration link in the email or social post you found this video in. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you at the workshop.